Hello, so here we have an Ecu Master ADU7 display unit. So I recently purchased this for an installation into a vintage BMW with an S54 swap. So why I chose the Ecu Master ADU7, this particular unit, according to the manufacturer specifications, will work with an OEM DME, or engine control module. You know, DME is what BMW guys call it, the BMW abbreviation for it. So it will work with the factory DME CAN bus communication protocol. So in other words, you'll be able to get all of the information that's transmitted on your CAN bus to be displayed on this unit, allowing you to use some of the other channels, some of the other inputs, whether they be digital or analog, for other sensors that you want to wire into your car. So you get quite a bit of flexibility with that. The packaging and size for the particular dashboard that I'm using seem to be the best fitting. And all of these LEDs are programmable, so you can set them up to be, let's say, for example, turn signal lights, or high beam acknowledgement, or headlight on acknowledgement. As long as you have enough channels to to hardwire into function for these LEDs, you could program them to whatever you want to, or you could program them as alerts or alarms for information that's being transmitted over the CAN bus as well, like possibly oil pressure, engine coolant temperature, boost levels, things of that nature. So there's quite a bit of flexibility installed, integrated into this unit in the manufacturing. I will say, I literally just took it out of the box, so it's brand new. This is a picture of the connector on the back of it. So it is, it's a 35 pin connector on the back of it, and this is the connector that it comes with. Let me put this down. So this connector comes bare with no wires in it. I actually just quickly made this harness that then I'm going to mate into the harness in the car to get to function. And if it just comes with bare pins, so you're going to need a set of pliers like these to to crimp the wires onto the pins. This particular set of pliers is made by Snap-on Blue Point, and that's the part number right there. Works great for that type of pin. If you need something, if you need a wire stripper or something like that, or you like a different type of crimper, this is another one that I use. This is a Mac Tools WSC7, and it works great. I think this particular plier may even, I'm not sure if it's actually made by Mac or if it's made by Nipex or someone else. The quality is pretty good, but it works great for stripping wires back, and I crimp them with this particular plier over here. And so the connector quality, I think it's okay. It's pretty good. Nothing to to go on about. I think it's more than adequate, considering where you normally would install a display like this in an automotive application. It has a seal built into the back of the connector where you slide the wires in, so keeps moisture, dirt trap, get out of the connector. So that works great. The unit itself seems quite well made. This is some kind of milled aluminum or steel housing. I haven't powered it up yet or configured it on a laptop, so that's going to be the next step. I think the only drawback to this particular unit, I would say, is that for you to upload your configuration onto it, meaning for you to upload your configuration with regards to what inputs and outputs you're using for what functions, how you want your display displayed, because that's all fully configurable, things of that nature. For you to upload those settings into this unit, you need to use a USB to CAN adapter, because it's actually uploaded into this unit via CAN. So the information is sent to this control unit via the CAN bus, but you need to communicate with the CAN bus from your laptop, right, or computer that you're using. How do you do that? You use this. So with the CAN bus in your car, you're gonna have 2 wires from your CAN high and CAN low system that are going to go into this connector. You know, and there's a quick diagram on the back of it there, right? So you're going to absolutely need this to work with this display unit, as opposed to some of the other ones where they have like a USB cable where you could upload the entire configuration into. So I think that's one con about this unit. There are other options. There's a Kvasser interface that you could use, a CAN bus interface that you could use to also upload it in there. But you know, in my case, we got this unit and the USB to CAN adapter came for free with a particular deal they had, so it just worked out perfect that way. So that's pretty much my initial impression of this unit. It looks good. You know, I'm really excited about getting it installed in the car to see how it powers up, and you know, it should be good. So I'll make another video once I've wired it into the car to show you guys how to wire it into a CAN bus to an existing CAN bus in a vehicle, and you know, my initial startup and usage of this unit I'll document for you guys to see. Thank you.